Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by ensuring Fabric Loader and Fabric API match the Minecraft version. This prevents immediate conflicts. Once done, place Iris into the mods folder alongside Fabric API. Iris replaces the need for Optifine. Make sure you pick the Fabric build of Iris that corresponds to your GPU and Minecraft version. Back up your world and current mod list now, because shader testing will change performance and configs. This protects progress and makes rollback simple. You load Minecraft and confirm Iris appears in the mods list, then open Video Settings and select the Shaders menu. Pick a shader pack verified for Iris. Incompatible packs cause visual glitches. Next, tune render distance, VSync, and shadow detail downward to isolate issues while testing. If you use performance mods that Iris supports, add them now, because combining them improves frame rates. Once stable, increase individual settings gradually to find the sweet spot between visuals and performance. You finalize by saving a working configuration and exporting Iris settings to reuse on other installs or worlds. Then test shaders across environments, daylight, caves, water reflections to confirm consistent appearance and performance. If you hit a crash or strange rendering, open the Minecraft logs and look for mod conflicts, then remove or disable the last added mod and retest. If problems persist, lower shader complexity or switch to a simpler compatible pack.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.